Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the exact Galaxy Tab 3 model because firmware is model-specific. Flashing the wrong file bricks the device. Once identified, back up your data and charge to at least 70% to avoid shutdowns. Make sure USB debugging is enabled in developer options and install Samsung USB drivers on your Windows PC. Then download Odin and place it in a simple folder. Connect the tablet in download mode. You'll use Odin next to load the official firmware package. You now load the correct firmware into Odin because Odin writes partitions precisely. Mistakes cost you recovery. Once the tablet is in download mode and Odin recognizes it, ID, comlit, click AP/PDA and select the TAR MD5 firmware file. Make sure only auto reboot and F reset time are checked. Uncheck repartition unless you have a PIT and no Y. Click Start to begin flashing. The process shows progress. Do not unplug or power off the tablet while Odin writes the firmware. When Odin shows pass, the tablet will reboot and apply changes. First boot may be slow while Android rebuilds. If it enters a boot loop, immediately boot to recovery, volume up plus home plus power, and wipe cache. If that fails, a factory reset usually resolves mismatched data. If Odin itself fails or times out, don't retry blindly. Re-download the exact firmware, use a different USB port or the original Samsung cable, and rerun Odin. You do this because stable firmware and a solid connection are essential for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.